QuickBooks Enterprise Inventory Simplified. Learn how to master inventory in QuickBooks Enterprise with AIMSmart, the advanced inventory mastery program designed for retailers, wholesalers, distributors, and manufacturers. Starting from scratch or managing inventory in QuickBooks Enterprise can feel overwhelming. Maybe your reports don't match what's really on your shelves, or the stress of setting up your inventory and processes has you second-guessing every step. You might even be spending hours fixing mistakes instead of running your business. Do you ever feel like Intuit just doesn't get how inventory really works? So when you ask for help setting up or using QuickBooks Enterprise, you're left without clear answers. I get it, because I've helped hundreds of thousands of inventory-driven businesses such as retailers, wholesalers, distributors, and manufacturers who face these same challenges. And whether you're just getting started with QuickBooks Enterprise, looking for an inventory service niche to offer your clients, or have been using it for years, that's exactly why I created the AIMSmart program, Advanced Inventory Mastery, a step-by-step course to help you take control of inventory, streamline your workflows, and finally feel confident in your numbers. AIMSmart isn't just another QuickBooks course. It's a complete roadmap designed specifically for inventory-driven businesses like yours. We start with the foundations of inventory setup. Then we will unlock your advanced inventory tools, multiple sites, bin locations, barcoding, FIFO costing, and serial or lot tracking with expiration date reporting. Next, we dive into purchase and order management workflows, including purchase orders, cycle counts, landed cost, and alternate vendors. You'll master the sales workflow using the sales order fulfillment dashboard to streamline your pick, pack, and ship processes. And finally, we'll walk through the entire flow, from receiving products to completing your sales. AIMSmart goes beyond theory. You'll see step-by-step demonstrations and real workflows I use when working with clients every day. And here's the best part. Whether you're unlocking new features in an existing file or setting up QuickBooks Enterprise for the very first time, AIMSmart meets you exactly where you are. Inside AIMSmart, you'll get on-demand video lessons that guide you through every advanced inventory feature in QuickBooks Enterprise, downloadable templates and checklists so you can implement what you learn right away, step-by-step scripts and workflows designed for inventory companies, live group Q&A sessions where you can get your specific questions answered, receive ongoing community support to get help with questions moving forward. And depending on your tier, you'll also receive one-on-one coaching calls with me to review your setup and solve challenges unique to your business. Explore our AIMSmart pricing plans to choose the level of support that's right for your business. Whether you are brand new to QuickBooks Enterprise, ready to learn a new skill, or looking to optimize your system you've been using for years, you'll have the tools, training, and support to master your inventory with confidence. If you're ready to stop fighting with QuickBooks Inventory and start mastering it, the AIMSmart program is for you. Click to schedule your one-on-one quick start consultation call today, and let's simplify your inventory together.